low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So according to the latest news, Foxconn pays huge bonuses to iPhone 14 assemblers. This year it is planned to release 90 million new smartphones. Mentioned in this video are iPhone 14 Pro Max latest features, production challenges, bonuses, sales date and release date. Please watch the full video content. According to the China Securities Journal, citing a recruitment agency in Shenzhen, Gonglan Foxconn has begun actively recruiting workers to carry out the assembly of the iPhone 14 smartphones. August is expected to be the peak hiring period. The reporter also learned that the Shenzhen Foxconn IDPBG Business Group offers good bonuses to employees. The current internal referral bonus is $785, of which the referrer can receive $180 and the referee can receive $605. The IDPBG Business Group is division of Foxconn responsible for assembling Apple's iPhone. According to the data, Zhangzhou Foxconn IDPBG Business Group is using the same incentives to attract people. In June, the Zhangzhou Foxconn IDPBG Business Group recruited interns, offering an $890 bonus per person. Foxconn told to the reporters, it does not comment on consumer or product information. The new iPhone 14 series that Apple will release this year will have 4 models: iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max or iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Pro series will use not only the Apple A16 SoC, but also a 48-megapixel main camera sensor, and 2 holes will replace the bangs in the screen. The shipment target for this year reported to be about 90 million iPhone 14 smartphones. The new iPhone 14 series smartphones will be presented in the coming months, but Apple has not yet announced the exact date of the announcement. According to the iHack2 Insider, the presentation will take place on September 13, 2022, and sales of the new gadgets will start on September 23. The insider referred to his own sources of information. Apple itself has not confirmed this claim. Based on the current leaks, 4 smartphones are expected to be released this year: iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This time Apple will allegedly release a new series of smartphones with significant differences between the Pro models and the standard versions. In addition, future devices will be sold at a higher price than previous iPhones. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game.